The Amazon Business Program is a program which merchants have to enroll in, but there is no cost involved. Merchants can set separate business pricing and business discounts. They can allow Amazon to manage invoicing on their behalf. Business customers can also request quotes on bulk orders. Signing up for Amazon Business is pretty straightforward. If you go to Settings and Account Info, it is one of the services that can be offered down here on the left under Your Services. Here you can see where you can opt into Amazon Business. To set business pricing, go to Inventory and Manage Inventory. If you don't see the business pricing column, you need to change it here under Column Preferences. You can set a separate business price. Here we'll have the price and also the VAT exclusive price. And you can also set quantity discounts. So you can either have a percentage off price, so say if you buy a certain number, then you get a certain percent off. Or you can add a fixed price, so you have a price discount per quantity. Amazon Business has a number of features I would like to bring your attention to. Firstly, B2B Central. It's under B2B on the main menu. So if we go to B2B Central, the main B2B Central screen has links to the setup of your account and also a snapshot of your sales. VAT calculation is an important part of the Amazon Business offering. You can specify a VAT rate per product, and then Amazon will calculate the VAT applicable to a product and put this in the invoice which the customer gets sent. The VAT details can be set up via B2B Central. If you go into B2B Central and then configure the VAT settings, here you can enter your VAT numbers for the different countries or the sales tax in the US. Also the standard tax rate on your products here. There's a number of different tax rates. You can set how VAT is applied to shipping, so the same as the product or the standard rate. Tax settings can also be set under the settings menu. There are two further areas the merchants need to pay attention to in order to get the most out of Amazon Business: managing quotes and product opportunities. If you go to B2B, then manage quotes, you will see a list of requested offers on products you sell. And so for example, this one here, this VTech product here, someone has requested 100 units and they want to buy it for 30. Our current price is 52 per unit. So in order to qualify for this, if you want to qualify for this, we'd have to change the discounts. So we click on Manage Your Discounts here. You can set the discounts here to enable you to have a chance of getting this deal. Finally, the Product Opportunities report gives a list of products where Amazon feels that there is a business-to-business opportunity on the Amazon platform. This can be accessed from B2B Product Opportunities. It will tell you things like products where there is currently no business offer or products which are currently not yet on Amazon. Thanks for watching this video. For more content, please subscribe to our channel or check out our Amazon playlist. You can also see more hints and tips at our website, which is vendlab.com/blog.